Ever wonder when to use a for loop versus a while loop? Let's break it down in just 60 seconds. First up, the for loop. This is your go-to when you know exactly how many times something needs to repeat. Think of it as having a finish line in sight. For example, if you need to iterate over a list or a range of numbers, you already know how many times the loop should run. Here's a quick example. This loop will run exactly 5 times, printing the numbers 0 to 4. Why? Because the range is defined up front. For loops are perfect when you have a predefined sequence or count, whether you're looping through a list, a range of numbers, or even the characters in a string. Now, the while loop is a bit different. Use a while loop when you don't know how many times you need to repeat something. Instead of a fixed range, it keeps running as long as a condition is true. It's perfect for when the end isn't clear up front, like waiting for user input or an external condition to change. Think of a while loop like waiting for a specific event. As long as that event hasn't happened, the loop keeps running. Once the condition becomes false, it stops. Use a for loop when you know the count and a while loop when you don't. That's the key difference between the two. And now you'll never mix them up again.